So once you have your goal, you have prioritized what's important first, and then you have set a deadline. You have to choose the action steps that go along with that goal. What that means is you have to choose what's going to help you to get closer to that goal. There are a lot of things we can do to make us busy, but being busy does not make us productive. So do you want to be busy and booked, or do you want to be productive and paid? And sometimes those action steps that we need to take are the ones that we may be afraid to take, but they are the ones that truly move the needle. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to take a self-assessment of your tasks and what you do next week. I want you to look at what you do on a day-to-day basis. How do you spend free time if you have any? How can you work in the crevices of your day? How much TV do you watch? What are you reading or pouring into yourself? What does self-care look like? Then I want you to journal what your days look like for a week and see what changes can be made to maximize time for your goals. So you're really going to be looking at where your time goes, because sometimes in our head, we can think one thing, but when we actually pay attention to what we're doing, we can see, okay, well, this is really where my time is going. So take that self-assessment so you can really see how you can get back time based on your habits.